Ah!
Cat, Jesus, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, Ben.
I'm sorry.
Everything's fine, Ben.
Everything's not fine. We need to figure out how this happened. We just lost everything.
Well, we're lucky as shit to have this RV.
And nobody died.
Cat's head is split open.
I'm fine.
Somebody in here caused this.
Settle down back there. The bandits have had our number for weeks.
This is different. Somebody was working with them. Whoever it was slipping them our meds. They didn't get their last package, so they attacked.
Calm down back there. That's nuts.
Yeah.
Lee found a bag of supplies hidden outside the wall.
Yes, I did.
It's true.
So, Carly.
It's not
Is there something
Carly.
you want to say?
Please,
We have to get it out of you then.
back off.
You're in no position to make demands.
I don't think
Whoa,
it's
whoa,
Carly.
whoa. You're just pointing fingers.
I didn't just come up with this. I've had my suspicions.
Carly's trustworthy. She's not a traitor, Lily.
Thank you, Lee.
She can fight her own battles. Unless there's something going on here that implicates you both.
Oh,
Don't
wow.
be ridiculous.
Like, look, maybe we should vote or something like that.
Vote? What?
Just look. Carly's a stand-up gal, and maybe this was all just a mistake.
We need to look at the facts. Let's calm down, we'll eat, and we'll deal with it.
Lily, stop waving the finger at everybody. We know something's going on, and we can get to the bottom of it if we keep our heads.
I know
Yeah.
what we found.
Yeah, so do I.
I know.
Nobody was stealing anything.
Was it both of you?
What?
I've seen you two together. Was it both of you?
Look, just let me out. I didn't do it, but I don't like this. I don't like where it's headed.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you didn't have anything to do with it.
He did it. He
Lily,
definitely
lay
did it.
off
But
of him.
Shit!
What's going on up there?
I hit something. We gotta stop.
All right, well, we can deal with this now then.
all right. Okay then.
Kenny, is it safe?
Should be.
Everybody out.
Lily.
Out.
All right, we have to keep Clem in the car. Clem has to stay in the car. I don't want Clem getting out of that car. Oh, that sounds like a very hungry zombie.
Kenny, the RV has some surface damage, but there's a walker trapped underneath.
Oh,
God damn it. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
oh. Clem, please get
You know
back
what?
inside.
We shouldn't just kick you out. We should hear what everybody thinks.
I think you should chill out.
I'm not gonna take this. You can push Ben around, but you can't push me around.
I'm really sorry you feel that way. I'm starting to think
Oh.
maybe it was both of you.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, Lee. You're the one who found them. You can't just abstain.
Of course I can.
This is nuts. We're out here on the side of the road.
Okay, fine then. Kenny?
Kenny?
I don't know. Fuck. Just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes. What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do watches for months.
Huh, the
He's
hell-
broken.
He's broken, Lily.
I can see that.
Do we need any more evidence than this? Fuck evidence! Stop treating him like this!
Shut up, Carly.
Oh.
I've heard enough
No.
out of you. Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Just give me a damn minute.
Ben, you have until that walker is dealt with to tell me it was her and not you.
Stop this! You're torturing him!
No.
Ben,
Stop!
this is about
No,
trust, and
no.
I've never trusted you.
Lily, lay off.
I can't, Lee. You know I can't.
Thank you, Lee. Please, listen to him.
Please don't kick me out of the group.
We won't.
Tell me now.
Oh.
I got it.
Please, let's just get back
That's
in the
not
RV.
happening.
You think you're some tough bitch, don't you? Like nothing can hurt you. But you're just a scared little girl. Get the fuck over it.
Oh.
Take a page from Lee's book and try helping somebody for once.
Oh. Okay, that was tense. That was really tense. Oh my god, she's
Now,
reaching behind her.
What the fuck's the problem?
Oh no, Carly! What?
Drop it.
You killed my girlfriend! God damn it.
Holy fuck.
Kenny, what's happening?
You duck away from the windows. Jesus Christ.
Nope.
Get in! We're leaving this crazy bitch!
It couldn't be trusted, Lee. I swear. Please.
Just get in. I'll figure out what to do with you.
It's a bad idea, Lee. She's a murderer for shit's sake.
I'm a murderer as well!
You've had Lee with you this whole time.
I don't care what he did before. If we keep you with us, how long until you get me?
I was trying to protect all of us. I don't have anything left.
Yes, of course you don't, but you decided to kill
Just get in.
when there was no reason to kill. You are completely different from... Well, actually, you're not that different from me. Carly! Oh, no. Oh, Carly. Actually, don't give Ben the gun. Give...
Lee, a word, please.
Oh, no. I need to check with Clem. Clem, are you okay?
Katja needs you for something.
Yes, I know. I'm making sure you're okay first. Katja will be fine. She will be fine. Right.
What's up? Is Duck feeling all right?
Oh my god, he's being bitten.
Fuck.
Happened during the raid.
What's the plan?
What's the plan? We've never had a bite victim in the group before.
I'm going to keep an eye on him and see what I can do from a medical perspective.
Actually, haven't we
keep
had
the
a bite
same
victim
plan
before?
unless something changes. East.
Guys.
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Important to stay honest with each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
Yeah, okay, I'll tell Clem that her best child friend is going to die. Become a sobble. Alright. Alright, Lily's just looking all angry like. Alright, Ben, make sure she doesn't do anything. I miss Carly already. Carly. Oh.
Duck is bitten.
Oh.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
Oh, poor Doc, though.
Don't feel good.
Oh.
What about
Clem.
Carly?
There was no time for burial.
There was no time for a burial.
Walkers?
Yeah. Horrible.
Poor Carly! I miss my parents.
I miss my parents.
Me too.
I know.
Oh. Come on,
Mom
Clem.
played the tuba.
Really?
Yeah, she played the tuba.
She was a really small lady. It was strange.
What? This one time.
This one time my brother thought it would be funny to fill a tuba full of flour on April Fool's Day.
What
And
the
that same
shit?
day, she thought it'd be funny to wake me up for school by playing it right in my face.
What happened?
I got covered in flour.
Just about what you'd expect.
That's funny.
Yeah. I don't know why I remembered that.
It's because your parents were your parent was abusive and you abused yourself. Oh. Oh. Why is there a drip? Why is there a drip? Why is that audible? Oh! Glenn! No!
What happened? Holy shit! Get off of me!
Oh shit, it was just a dream. It was just a dream.
Got something up ahead.
Oh, poor Clem. Poor Clem getting turned into a zombie in my mind. Oh.
Damn it. Road's blocked. Now we gotta deal with this.
Alright. Rest in peace. We got some trouble. Ooh, it's the train! It's a train! Yes! It's a lopsided train. That's certainly something. Alright, Kenny, we're gonna abandon the RV and take the train
get
ride.
around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
And I'd like everyone out of the RV except her. I don't want folks trapped in there with her.
Alright. Aww. Clem, it's
Why don't you and I
okay.
go look around?
Yes,
Yeah,
Ben?
everyone else relax. Clem, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's
No
afraid.
shit.
Be careful in there.
What,
No
you
shit,
think there
he's
might be something
dehydrated.
dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
God damn it, Lee. Right, first, what we're going to do is we're going to talk. Catcher, let's talk. How's Duck? How is Duck?
I don't know. Tired. Which could mean a lot of things, right?
Yeah, his body's probably fighting whatever's in it.
Yeah, no, that's
Exactly.
definitely not what's happening.
Have you heard anything out of Lily in there?
Not a peep.
I don't like that.
She's probably in shock. She did a monstrous thing.
Yes, but we all did monstrous things. It's the apocalypse.
Has Clementine said anything to you about Carly or Duck or anything? I'm worried about her.
Duck just reacts.
No. That little girl is a puzzle.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
she is.
Is that meant to be...
God, where did yesterday go?
Oh,
I
Carly.
don't know.
Are you okay? I know you were fond of her.
I was.
I was. This isn't any time for, you know, romance, but yeah. I was, fond of her, yeah.
Oh.
Anyway, let me know if anything changes.
Oh, I loved her. Carly.
You worried about keeping her in there?
I cracked a window. I sure as hell don't want her out here with us.
It's my headcanon. My headcanon is they were already a couple by that point.
You worried about keeping her in there?
I cracked a window. I sure as hell don't want her out here with us.
Okay, fine then, Kenny. Let's not talk. Alright.
Hey, Clem.
What are you going to do with Lily?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
I don't know. Something, I suppose. I don't know what we can do.
Oh,
She killed her.
yes, I know.
It's horrible.
She wanted to be the alpha female of the group. That's what happened. She was jealous of Carly having the... Yeah, that's the theory I'm going with.
Hey, Sweet Pea. You okay out here?
Aww. Duck's
I
just
don't think Duck
gasping.
feels good.
No, he definitely doesn't. He does not feel good at all. Alright, anyway. Shall we talk to people in the RV? Alright, let's get in the RV. Let's get in the RV. Let's see. Just one. We need to have a discussion. We need to have a discussion, Lily.
Hey, Lily. Lily.
I'm sitting here tied up like an animal while you guys decide what to do with me.
It's not like that.
And what's it like?
Well, you did kill someone. You did kill someone, and there was no need to kill them.
Lily.
Alright, fine then. Fine then, Lily. Do whatever you want. Let's look at this pencil.
Sharpened, too.
Let's take the pencil away from her! Oh.
I could have killed you. I had you while you were rummaging around in the front there.
Mm.
I know you did what you did for a reason, and part of me understands. But the other part sees you with your back turned to me and knows I could have killed you. I need to go.
Please don't. God damn it!
Holy shit! She's stealing the RV!
She's stealing the RV, yeah. Don't go, Lily! It's
Come
not
back here, you crazy bitch!
Oh well.
Stop!
She just straight up left us. What a giant bitch. Let's focus. I'm blank. Let's focus
on the train.
Well, I guess we're only doing something on the train.
Well, we're fucked if we don't figure out how this thing works. Can't spend the night out here.
Aww.
Duck is still sick, you know. We need to get to the city, the coast.
Yes, of course we need to get to the coast, but I don't think there's anything we can do for Duck. He's been bitten. Lee. Thank you, Lee.
It's one hell of a mess.
Let's look at the boxcar. Let's look at this boxcar.
Door's closed.
Alright, let's see. Can we open it? There's someone living here.
Whoa.
Somebody's been living in here.
Yeah, shit.
Shit. Think they're gone?
No.
I hope so. But this looks recently used. Be on the lookout and have your guard up.
There's definitely still someone living here. Let's look at the water.
Looks unopened.
And let's give Duck the water!
For Duck.
And let's steal some more shit. Let's look at the map.
Clipboard.
Look, Lee, you can see it's a map. You can...
A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. Route 27, Savannah. That's where Kenny's got us headed.
Yes, so we can use the train to get to Savannah. Let's go over here. Alright, okay. Oh, Ben, we should probably have a little discussion. I know it's you that did all the supply business, but come on. Come on, Ben, talk to me. Talk to me, boy. What, was it you?
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then.
God damn it, Ben. Ben won't forget that. Well, Ben, you have to be truthful.
What would you have done with Lily?
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone like that before.
She was
You've seen a
unhinged.
bunch of other stuff by now.
She was
Yeah,
just
but
bloody
not
unhinged.
like that.
You, happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah.
Really?
It's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods. Just like my classmates.
You think this is better?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, okay, Ben. I just want to tell you that you can talk to me.
The door to the boxcar.
You can talk to me, Ben. It's fine that you're, you know... It's fine that you stole stuff that eventually led to quite a few deaths from all of us, but it's okay. You made a mistake. I know you made a mistake. Also, Catcher, would Duck like to have this water bottle?
Sorry about the RV.
I'm worried. We're really on our own out here now.
Well, we're putting some time into this train. Worst comes to worst, boxcar's safe enough to sleep in. I better get back to it.
You're not gonna be able to sleep with Duck. Duck's just a big killer waiting to happen.
Found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
That's all I can keep thinking about. Like,
Weird thing to think
somehow
about.
That matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't. But you're probably right.
Yes, it turns out zombies are allergic to bees.
We found this in the boxcar back there.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
I think so.
These tracks lead right to Savannah. Holy hell. Can you guys see about moving that thing? We could have something here.
Yeah, we're on it.
Kenny, we need to have a discussion.
About the RV. Keeping her was my call. This one's on me.
The radiator's fucking hosed in that thing, so she won't make it 30 miles. We figure this train out, maybe it turns out she did us a favor.
Yeah, right. Alright, Clem, let's have a discussion, Clem.
Sweet pea, you okay out here?
There's nothing new to talk to Clem about. Just keeps looking at Duck.
Feels good.
Me neither.
God damn it, Clem. Of course it doesn't feel good. Alright. Let's go up there. Let's go. Alright.
Might be something inside.
Let's open it. Let's see. Look at the switch. Let's turn the switch!
Nothing.
Well, we gave it our all. We gave it our all, it's fine. Alright,
Might
okay.
be something inside.
Alright, okay. Spike remover, crescent banner, a monkey wrench. Spike remover seems a little bit more specific. I think it was spike
It's
remover.
fine.
Lee, we're thinking about something else. We're not thinking about murdering zombies. Goddamn fool. Alright. So we've done two. Let's have a look at this one.
Might be something inside.
Oh, no shit, Lee. Oh, look, there's something inside, but it's not anything we can use. Alright, okay, come on.
Might be something inside.
Right now, while I'm playing this, all my friends in Discord are just talking about mattresses. Goddamn fucking weirdos. Ugh. Alright, okay, well, we're getting in the cab.
Shit.
There's a dead boy. There is a dead boy.
We got
Is
one.
he an undead boy or a
Sit in
dead
the
boy?
chair. We got him.
Might not be a walker, Lee. Yep, there we go. This is better. This is better and just... What's him?
Suppose we ought to look him over.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, you can probably tell that he blew his brains out. Yep, what a mess. That dude was
I
dead
don't think this guy came back.
for a long, long time.
That light is blinking.
Ooh,
Push
blinking.
it.
Push it.
Why not?
Are you
What
fucking
the
serious?
fuck, Ben?
Here, look.
Oh, Kenny looks happy
It's
now.
just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
I'll be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue. Well, let's look
God
around.
damn it.
Maybe it goes somewhere we'd like to be. And
Ben,
if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls.
oh,
Man, this could be exactly what we need.
Kenny. We need to have a discussion,
Okay.
Kenny.
What's up?
I'm sorry about the RV.
I'm sorry about the RV. Keeping her was my call. This one's on me.
The radiator's fucking hosed in that thing, so she won't make it 30 miles. We figure this train out, and maybe it turns out she did us a favor.
Yes, and do you want to talk about Duck? Because we need to talk about Duck.
I'm really sorry, Kenny. Nobody deserves this.
There's nothing to talk about. You heard Cat. He could be fine.
We probably shouldn't ignore it.
Nobody's ignoring nothing. I'm not worried. You shouldn't be either.
We need someone to help us get the train going.
We need some help getting this train going.
People take notes, right, when working on stuff like this? We're smart guys. We can figure it out.
Are you sure about that, Kenny?
God, we need some help getting this train going.
People take notes, right, when working on stuff like this?
Oh no, I was
like
trying
this?
to skip.
We're smart guys. We can figure it
We
out.
can't skip. God damn
I'll
it.
get back to it.
I accidentally pressed one. It's
a bunch of papers.
a bunch of papers, let's take
Bunch
it.
of maps about Georgia's cities. Nothing about the train.
No, but take it, Lee. Might be useful later.
I have no idea what to do with these.
Oh, whoa. Yes, ew, indeed. What the shit? Oh, well. Let's look at a photograph. Oh, it looks like he had a nice, happy family. They probably dead now.
Shit, this is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone.
Yes,
You
Lee.
can kind of see the indentations from the writing.
Alright, well, we just draw on it with the pencil.
Perfect.
You can read it now?
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
Alright, okay. 6599, okay. Okay, 6 has to be down, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up. Wait a minute. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. That's it. Yep, there we
Son
go.
of a bitch. Whatever you did lit the dash up.
So far, so good.
Alright, and now we have to 5, so we need to go horizontal and then vertical. That's 5, okay. Is there a 5 there? Horizontal up. There we go!
Now we're talking.
Hooray! Now we're thinking with trains. 9. Well, I don't see a 9 here. There's only 8. So 9's probably out there. Alright, come on, Lee. We're gonna find that delicious 9. Is it this one? Would have thought it would have been closer, but... Okay, so left, right. That's what we have to do. Left, right, alright. Whoop. And we start the engines! Praise the young Messiah!
Holy shit. We're golden.
Duck, though. This thing is loud.
This thing is loud.
So what? We're barreling down the tracks at 40 miles an hour. I don't care about the noise. Let's fucking enjoy this. Mom, let's see if she'll move.
Yep. And then the guy that lives here is hearing about this. Alright, okay, Kenny. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about
It's all
Duck.
yours.
That's the throttle.
Kenny, we need to talk about your son. Your son is going to die.
Damn it. Of course. We're still attached. Can you go find out where we're stuck? and get us unstuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Let's see where we're stuck. Okay, alright. Alright. We're getting stuff unstuck. Maybe I should talk to everyone though before, you know, shit happens. Ben, let's have a discussion. You've been a very naughty boy.
No sign of whatever lives in the train.
Keep it down. I don't want you scaring the kids. How
Ben.
you doing, Ben?
I'm watching the girls and not working on a mega cool train. What do you think?
Wow, you're so fucking snarky, man.
Hey, Sweet Pea. You okay out here?
Oh, she just...
I don't think Duck feels good.
No, god damn it.
Me neither.
Say something new. Say something new. We are humans, god damn it.
I better get back to it.
This is... Alright. I guess there's nothing to talk about. Let's get in the boxcar. Because, of course, that's where it's lopsided, right there. So you have to detach it from this end. Alright. It's gonna be a jump scare. The angle is jump scary.
Looks like it'll get that pin out. Derailed.
Cobbler bar, let's go.
Shit. Broken.
Well, you could have seen.
That's definitely what's got us stuck. There's gotta be a better way to do this.
Alright, okay, let's explore a little bit before we, you know, shit happens. I have a feeling that if I've missed something somewhere, it's going to be... I just have that feeling I'm missing something. It's been a while. Oh, whoa, what the fuck is that, Lee? Also... Is there something I'm missing? Can we go in front of the train? Ah! That's it. That's what I'm missing.
Jesus!
Oh, look, Zombo. Hey, zombie. What up, buddy? Come on, zombie. Come here, zombie.
This door's gonna hurt.
Alright. Unclap. Oh my god, he glitched out. He glitched out dimensions. Get smashed! Jesus Christ, his jaw is messed up. He does not look
Kids
good.
might like those.
Yeah, sure, let's grab them. Grab the animal crackers. Clem, and Duck will probably like them. Indeed. Alright, okay. So I knew I was missing something.
It's in pretty good shape for a wreck.
Ooh, the cow catcher. Just ram into zombies. Anyway. Think I've got everything. Alright, okay. Now, we use the coupler pin!
There. Hey, Kenny, we're loose.
Yes, Kenny! Drive away from us! Drive away!
I can get in over there.
Oh! Something's happening!
You touch any of my stuff?
Yes, your water and a map. But you can have a ring.
Remember the train routes.
That's fine. You can have that. Yeah, I got them all right up here.
Alright.
I guess it's no worse for wear. Name's Chuck. Charles, if you
Yay, Chuck!
Lee.
That your crew outside?
Yeah.
And the guy up in the cab.
Him too.
I
Yep.
saw you walking through here and thought about scaring the pants off you.
What?
But I couldn't force myself to do it.
You're still kind of freaking out.
Few folk will do that. Already met everyone outside. They all warmed to me right quick in direct sunlight.
Alright, Chuck. Scaring me, boy.
You met Chuck.
Yeah, I did.
It's so nice to meet someone normal for a change.
Excuse
He
me.
gave us candy. Ben too.
He gave Ben candy. Ben just looks so guilty. You have candy?
You have candy.
Boy got the last piece that got on me.
Figures.
Oh, he looks so...
You met Kenny?
Sure did. Man shares my love of the road.
That's for certain.
No! What the fuck? What the absolute fuck?
Sorry your son's not feeling good.
What?
I appreciate your concern.
What?
Well, with a little TLC, I'm sure he'll be fit as a fiddle. in
What
no
the
time.
shit is this?
And I can offer y'all whatever I got, although it ain't much.
Oh no.
Thank you. We'd like to do the same.
Why don't we hold off on,
Stay with us. We'd like the company.
God damn it. Why is Doc invisible? Oh my god, Kenny's just running away now. No, seriously, Doc is invisible. Alright, Ben, let's talk about this candy you've
How you
got.
doing, Ben?
I'm watching the girls and not working on a mega cool train. What do you think?
Jeez, man, no need of a third degree. Alright, Clem, let's talk about...
Hey, sweet pea. That candy Chuck gave you. It taste okay?
It was really good.
No funny aftertaste?
No.
No.
Alright, that's good.
Train's cool, huh?
I guess. Scary, kind of.
What? Scared of trains, Clem? I mean, I know the train could just run you over and kill you, but seriously. Anyway, Chuck,
Chuck,
Howdy.
where are you from?
where are you
Chuck?
from? You
God
live
damn it.
around here?
Georgia boy, you saw where I live.
And why are you alone, Chuck?
Are you alone?
Why not? Seem to be doing all right.
Fine, then.
I'm sorry. I do like being around y'all, actually. It's nice.
You caught us on a bad day.
You still got a couple of kids, and this one's got a good spirit.
I find it a little bit creepy, Chuck, that you're saying that.
Kind of something.
I'll talk to you later.
Hope so.
Alright, Katja, let's talk about this child you
Gotta
have.
get back to it.
No, come on, we have to talk about the invisible child. This is just goddamn.
Please, if Duck's up for it.
Thank you. That's very thoughtful. He isn't fussy, you know.
What?
Most kids, they're really fussy about what they'll eat. Hate vegetables, that kind of thing.
Not Duck, huh?
No. The most trouble I ever have is making him use a fork. Thank you, Lee.
Sure.
God damn it! Katja, you've gone crazy! There is no child there!
So that's it? We're cut loose?
Seems that way, yeah.
Yep.
Great. We don't
Oh,
got
look,
much
Duck's
left,
returned.
So just gather whatever you have. Let's go.
He has returned.
All right.
It's not
Well,
invisible
it
anymore.
sounds like you're taking my home.
That's a yes then.
Haven't found anything better for keeping the creepy crawlies out than that boxcar.
Aw, Chuck.
Duck's sick.
Get on the
Yeah.
train, Clementine.
Oh, don't be like that to Clem.
He's getting sicker.
Let me look at him.
Oh, Kenny, you have to admit it. We can't ignore this.
We can't ignore this. Look at the kid, Kenny. This is happening.
Ain't shit happening. And if it were, what can we do here? We get on the train and we find something better. That is the plan.
I think Lee just wants to talk it through.
It's talked through. Get on, Cat. I'll be
God
up front.
damn it,
I don't
Kenny.
want to hear any nonsense until we get where we're going.
Kenny, this is your son. I'm not gonna beat you up, Kenny, but I'm gonna talk in a very loud and reassuring voice. Oh. Alright, Ken. Let's use the throttle! And oh boy, we're now on the train. A very loud train. Sayonara, losers! Oh dear. Oh, his cheeks are getting sunken in. He's becoming a real zombie boy. A real zombazzo.